Anyone else really excited when your kid finally throws up when they're coughing? Hi, my name is Angela, and I am interested in all things homeopathy. Homeopathy works best when you have some very clear symptoms that you can use to match a remedy. When working with a baby, sometimes it's hard. They don't talk, so they can't tell you all the things. I was trying another remedy for teething, but it wasn't quite getting it. Then one night she coughed so much that she threw up. And I was like, oh, that's great. Of course, I wasn't happy for her, but I was glad because it was a really clear symptom that indicated one particular remedy. So Ipecac is the remedy for a cough that's nags and gags. I gave her 1 dose of the remedy and her coughing diminished significantly. It lingered for a little while, and so I gave her another dose, but in a higher potency. I went from a 30C to a 200C. It was about 2 or 3 days in between the potencies, and that was it. She didn't cough after that. It was great. So again, in homeopathy, symptoms that are more strange, rare, and peculiar are very helpful in selecting the right remedy. Follow for more homeopathy tips.